Before starting the video, let's aim for 100 likes on this video. I know that we can complete that, so please go now and hit the like button. In our previous video, one of our subscriber comments to make a video on cheapest 6-wheel RC car. So here is a video. On the box, some information is given about the car. Link to purchase this car is given in the description of this video. So let me just open the box and see how the car is. Inside the box we get a controller, RC card and a small box. This box contains the 700 mAh battery and a charging lead to charge the battery. Let me just put the batteries inside the controller and the car itself.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on. Turn it on.